Are you tired of fake gurus and get rich quick scams? Hey, welcome back. If you've had enough of the fake gurus, shady scams, and overhyped promises about making money online, you are in the right place. Today, I'm revealing the best online business platform for beginners, one that's actually proven to work. No fluff, no gimmicks, just real strategies that can help you build a full-time income online. Let's be real, there are tons of so-called get-rich-quick schemes out there. But if you want to create a sustainable, scalable online business, you need three things: the right platform, the right tools, and the right strategy. And that's exactly what I'm breaking down for you today. Why start an online business? 1. Low startup costs. No need to invest thousands like a traditional business. 2. Total flexibility. Work from anywhere on your schedule. 3. Scalability. Automate your business and create passive income. If you're new to online business or nearing retirement and want to create financial freedom, you need a platform that's easy to use, has amazing support, and allows you to make money in multiple ways. That's why the Legacy Builders program is a game changer. Here's what you get. 1. A step-by-step roadmap to attract daily paying customers digitally. 2. Proven 6 figures in 6 months formula backed by real success stories. 3. Automation tools for sales funnels, emails, and marketing. Earn while you do what matters most. 4. Monthly live Zoom events to help you grow faster. 5. A supportive community so you're never figuring it out alone. Now, here's the part you don't want to miss. You might be wondering, can this really work for me? Instead of just telling you, I want you to hear it directly from the founder herself, someone who has helped countless beginners go from zero to full-time income. Watch this. Michelle, the founder of Legacy Builders program, is about to break it down for you.
All right, so today I'm going to share with you exactly how this online business works. I'm actually going to walk you step by step through the complete system so you have a complete understanding how the business works. And you guys, I want you to really understand the timing that you're looking at this is huge. Right now, more people are going online, more people are spending time online and making decisions because of what they've seen online. Some people are out there looking to improve a skill. That's what I was when I found this. I was looking to just become better. And some people are looking to improve a skill and also have an extra income or start an online business. And some people are looking to just make 6 figures from home and have complete freedom. Whatever that reason is, we have the solution, and it is in the e-learning industry, which is one of the fastest growing industries. So let's just start from the very beginning. What do we do? What we do is first you purchase a digital platform. And in this digital platform, it gives you everything you need to improve your skill and become your own boss online. This is just an example of what the training looks like, and I love it because as you can see, they're very short videos, and you execute, you implement what you learn, but it literally walks you through step by step. Now, once you purchase this, you start going through the training. Your very first step is you set up your own website, and this is what the website looks like. And this is where you get daily pay. People go through your website, they check it out. If they're interested, great. They go ahead and they get started. So they have their own digital platform as well. So your next question, I'm sure, is like, how do we find people that are interested? And this is what I love, because in my opinion, this is a rejection-free business. Why? Because we let the automations do the work for you. The automations will eliminate the people not interested and will attract the people that are interested. So for example, I am going to give you my system that I've set up for you. and it's at no cost to you. Here is the system I'm talking about. And you can go in and change this picture. You can go in and change what it says. So what happens is when somebody sees this and they want information, they'll put their email in and they will become part of your email automations, which I give you that as well. And I'm going to share that with you. So you might be asking, well, how do people find this page? Great question. Here's how they find this page. Let's go back to your digital platform, right? And here it is. So in this digital platform, they show you 200 pre-written ads and 60 bonus ad images. So you go here and you click on these images and they share with you what to say, like literally what to say, and go the information with you. Okay, so what do you do with these ads? Okay, go down here and they show you where to post these ads for free. You guys, I don't spend any money on advertising. So every morning I get up and I copy and paste these ads to these websites for free. There is tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of people that go to these websites every day looking for what you have to offer. Some are looking to improve that skill. Some are looking to create an extra income. Some are looking to completely replace their income from home. You have the solution with this blueprint right here. It provides a solution for everybody. Now, I've also went through and done the TikTok marketing training, and all I'm gonna say is, oh my gosh, I'm literally making a six-figure income from TikTok. Making 300 a day, 350 a day, 300 a day, 300 a day, 600 a day, 650 a day, 450 a day. I'm blown away, all from TikTok. So your next question, I'm sure, is like, how do we find people that are interested? And this is what I love, because my opinion. So now what I do on a daily basis is, one, I will get up in the morning and I will do my little post here. I'll spend about 30 minutes to an hour, and then I'll create content for TikTok, and then I'll answer my emails, and I'm done for the day. The automations are working for me. So let's go back to those automations, right, that I shared with you. Here's the page that you get. What happens when they click on here? So, because I'm just showing it all to you. Look at this. I've received 219 people in the last 30 days. You're looking at my website. I'm showing it all to you. I'm giving you this whole system. So in the last 30 days, I've had 219 people online raise their hand and say, I want to know more. So check this out. I'm going to show you my email automations. So here is my automations that they go through. You guys, I set this up one time and I share these with you. So all you have to do is go in and edit it and put your information and take mine out. Because why would you change it if it's already proven to work? Look at my open rates, 55%, 43%, it goes on and on. So people are going through these. So the moment they opt into here, they're on these automations. Immediately they receive this one. A day later, they receive this one. 6 hours later, this one. A day later, and they receive these. And then what happens is people start learning more about the business. That's why it's rejection free, because some of them are going to go through this and be like, nope, it's not for me, and they're going to opt out and not get any more emails. Some people are going to go through it and be like, oh my gosh, I can see myself doing this. Wow. Because people found this page, they found this page from TikTok or from YouTube or from the ads that I posted. That's it. See, we have a hard time wrapping our head around this because of the simplicity of it. So here is just all I'm gonna say right now is, if you're coachable, if you're willing to follow a system. So the opportunity, you guys, is huge right now. People are looking, and this e-learning industry is right now, it's right at $1 billion a day industry. It's going to grow to like a $3 billion by 2025. You have the opportunity to be part of it when it's $1 billion. Imagine when it's $3 billion, where you're going to be. People are looking for a blueprint like this. They're looking for something that is simple and easy to do from home and not have to worry about getting on the phone or handling rejection. I don't. By the time, if I ever have to get on the phone with somebody, it's because they're ready to get this blueprint. And they just have a few questions. Out of all the people that I've signed, I've only got on the phone with 3. Is that not crazy? 3. out of all of the people that have got started. And so here's my favorite thing is the results that are coming in. People are loving it. People are making money. They're enjoying this 300 a day, 6-figure blueprint. So if I can do it, and if they can do it, so can you. If you're coachable and consistent and are willing to put in 2 hours a day on a consistent basis, hey, that still gives you 22 hours in your day to do what you want, while your phone can go ding and payments can come in. If you love helping people, this is a great business, and the timing could not be any better. Imagine if you started getting daily pay coming in on a consistent basis. Just remember, excuses will always be there, but opportunities won't. And this is an amazing online business opportunity where you can improve a skill and you can create an income that can truly impact your family's life.
See, this isn't just another, maybe it works. This is a proven system that's changing lives. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and I would absolutely love to help. Hit that like button and subscribe for more real online business tips. Check out the link in the description to get started today. See you in the next video.